Hello guys, I've come with another amazing and very powerful forex trading strategy. In fact, this strategy I'm about to introduce to you is one very simple strategy. I know a lot of successful traders that are using this strategy personally, and they are making a lot of money using this strategy to trade in the forex market. In fact, this strategy works both on indices, boom and crash, step index, volatility, and even the forex currency pairs. It works on all of them. You'll be amazed by the time I show you how this strategy works. You will be amazed, and you will be amazed. You can actually see the amount of money you can make with this strategy by the time I show you. So let's get started. So the first thing you need to do, as you can see from the chart, this strategy uses two MAs on the chart. On the stochastic too, there are two moving averages. So how does this strategy works? You understand? So the first thing you want to look at, actually the thing that you need to make you understand is that if you look at the chart, look at it on the chart. Well, as I'm scrolling through, you would notice that this strategy actually detects the trend. Is a trend indicator. Is a strategy that lets you understand where the trend of the market is at any point in time. You understand? So it lets you understand where the market is heading at any point in time. So you can see when you have the green MA under the red MA, you can tell that means the market is on the downtrend. When you have it like this, so that is when the red is above the green. That shows that the market is on the downtrend. Whenever you have it that way, it shows that the market is on the downtrend. So you can see for that period, you can see it changed there and it changed again. You understand? So that shows that the strategy lets you understand where the market is, where the trend of the market is at any point in time. So right now, the first thing you want to do after seeing the cross on the main chart, after you've seen the cross on the main chart, that is when the green has crossed below the red on the main chart. So the second thing you want to look out for is to check the stochastic as well, to see if the cross has also taken place there. So these are the two things you have to confirm. You have to make sure the cross take place here, and the cross also take place in this place. You understand? So you first of all need to look for the one on the main chart. You have to look for the one on the main chart first. After that one has been confirmed, then you look for the one on the stochastic as well. So the one on the stochastic, this is where this is another place you have to pay very good attention, because the one on the stochastic, the cross on the stochastic must occur. Let's say for example now, this particular example now is a sell market, right? It's a sell trade. So the trend just changed downward. You understand? So the cross on the stochastic has to take place above the overbought level. You understand? As we set our overbought level to be 80, so that 80 marks the overbought region. So as long as the cross of the green MA the cross of the green MA over the red takes place above the 80 level, then you are very good to go. So that means you have a very good confirmation from the market. So in this case now, this is a very good confirmation. So once it occurs like this, so you are expected to enter the market for sell from this point. So let's say you are entering from around here, from this place. Now you're entering for sell. So that is your entry point. So the next thing is to now look to understand where to exit the market. Based on this strategy, the thing you have to follow is that your exit point for take profit is to look out for when the green MA touches the 20 level. That is for a sell trade. When you're in a sell trade, when the green MA, the green moving average touches that is here, when it touches the level 20 at this point, you're seeing, you understand, when it touches the level 20, that is where you're expected to get out of the market. You understand? So you enter here, you enter from this point here, and you exit here. So I think even in the real time, the first time this guy touches the 20 here, so as soon as it touches the 20, you should exit the market. For stop loss, in case you enter the market, and it's not going in your direction, it's not going the way you expected, then as soon as the opposite side cross occurred, let's say you are still in the market, for example, till this point now, you are actually expected to have gone out of the market from this point, right? From here, from actually here, around here. You understand? Let's say, you didn't go. Let's say this cross did not happen. You didn't touch the level 20 until it got to this point. You understand? So then you are expected to exit the market. By then, it will be either small loss, or break even, or small profit. So that's one thing I've experienced with the strategy, because the strategy is so powerful that you hardly lose with it. You understand? The time, even when it goes against you, you're going to be losing very, very small amount of money. So that's how it works. So let's just cite some more examples. You understand? So, and another thing, you have to make sure that the cross, because you always have to pay attention to this cross, make sure the cross actually occurred within these overbought and oversold levels. You understand? That is one very, very vital part of this strategy. You understand? Not like nearly. You don't go for the one that is nearly. Make sure it is actually above the 80 when you're using it to sell, and it is below 20 when you're using it to buy. So this is another good example now for sell. Another good example for sell from here. You understand? So if you enter from here, you can see you enter around here, then you are expected to exit the market around here. Yeah, this is where it touched. So where the green touched the 20 level, so that's it. You can see the amount of profit that will be made from that market. So let me see if this one is also a good yeah, this one is also a good it's also a good cross, a very confirmed cross. So for buy, this is a buy signal. This the green crossed above the red below level 20. You understand? So, and while we can see that on the chart, on the main chart too, the cross has taken place. So I think you'll be able to enter before this spike, before this spike. But if you didn't enter before that spike, then definitely you enter at this spike. At the point of this spike. So if you enter there, then you'll have been able to exit the market around here. You know, so that means after this spike, you will have been able to exit the market. So, which is a very good trade. So that's how the strategy works. It's a very, very powerful strategy, simple but very powerful and very profitable. So you just need to follow it as simple as it is. You understand? So you can see this is another good example. You enter here, you exit here. So as simple as that. Simple as that. This is another one. You can say enter here, exit here. You can imagine the amount of profit that will be made in this trade. So that's it, and it works. It works both on 5 minutes and 1 minute. If you check it on 5 minutes too, it's also very, very profitable. You understand? This is it. You can see it. If you enter from this region, you exit from here. You exit from here. You understand? So if you have entered market from here, if you have entered trade from here, and it goes way up like this, I don't know if you understand, you must at least exit the market while you've seen the profit so much like that. So that's it. So you actually experience fake crosses. It's actually hard to have such experience with this strategy if you follow it as it should be, because you have to understand how to actually watch out for fake crosses. Make sure that the crosses, just like this one now, this one on the stochastic now in the real time did not occur above the level 20. Above the level 80. You understand? Because if it is, it will not be like this. So this is something that you have to really look out for in real time when you're using it to trade. Make sure the cross occurred at the appropriate level. You understand? So that's how it works. That's it on 5 minutes as well. It's only this sell that actually occurred correctly. So if you had sold here, you would have exited here. Exit the market here. So that's it. So, and this strategy also works on other pairs. Works on all pairs. On all indices, it worked. In fact, it seems to be more accurate, to be more perfect on all these other pairs which are not boom and crash. You understand? Like this step index, volatility, the way they move is different from the way boom and crash moves. So we're checking 1 minute on step index right now. So you can see it. If you had entered here, you have exited somewhere around here. You understand? So same thing for this sell. Okay, the sell is correct. Yeah, it's correct. So if you enter for sell here, around here, let me see. Yeah, enter for sell around here. So you exit here. It's more profit that is here. Profit is not that much because of the way the market moved there. So this one as well. This is also a very good one. Enter here, exit here. You can look at it, guys. So amazing. So amazing. A lot of profits to be made using this strategy. So you can see here to here, from here, enter the trade from here, then you exit here. So that's it. Let's check it on Euro USD as well. So this is Euro USD. You can actually use this strategy to trade anything as long as it is chart and there's price action, and it's a market like this that moves. You understand? So as long as there's price action, so definitely this strategy works. So you can see it. You can see it works well every time, anytime, any day. You can see it here. You can see it's a very, very powerful strategy. You can see. So that's it. I'll be uploading very profitable strategies like this almost every day. So you guys try to subscribe to this channel and stick around. You definitely be glad you did. The detailed instruction on how to set up this strategy is located below this video. Just scroll down to the description box of this video and get the detailed settings to set it up on your trading platform. Thank you so much for watching.